express 500 as a product of prime numbers in index form. There's two ways of doing this, yeah? One way is with the sort of branches way, the tree approach, or you can use the ladder method, okay? So I tend to sort of use the ladder method, but it really is your choice. So we're going to think about prime numbers, okay? And we need to break this down, don't we? Okay, in terms of looking at the prime factors of it. So these are the first few prime numbers, well worth writing down. And clearly with 500, we know that 2 there is a factor. We know that 2 as a prime number will divide into 500. And, you know, you're just dividing it by 2. So, you know, 500 divided by 2 is 250, isn't it? Okay, so we can get that quite quickly. And then you do the same again. Okay, again divide by 2, yeah, because it ends in a 0, 2 will go into it. Now, you might not be sure what 250 divided by 2 is, so why not break it down? Let's do like the bus stop, but upside down. So 2 into 2 goes once, 2 into 5 goes twice, remainder 1, and then 2 into 10 goes 5 times. Okay, so you could do that, couldn't you? 125, well, it ends in a 5, so I know 5 goes into it. Okay, you might not be sure, so how many times? So 5 it doesn't go into 1, so 5 into 12 goes twice, yeah? 5 into 12 goes twice, which gives me 10, so there's 2 left over. And then 5 into 25 goes 5 times. So we've got 25 there, okay? What then goes into 25? Well, 5 clearly goes into 25, 5 times. And then what goes into 5? Well, 5 goes into 5 once, okay? So we left them with this here, and what we're going to do is multiply them, okay? Because product means to multiply them. And don't forget then to put them in index form, because that's what they're asking for, so powers. So it'll be 2 to the power 2, yeah, not cubed, I made a mistake there. 2 to the power 2, because there's 2 of them, and 5 to the power 3, okay? The part B, it says write down the least positive whole number that 3 squared times 7 to the power 3 must be multiplied by to make the result a perfect square. Now remember, for it to be perfect square, the powers have to be even, right? Now that ticks the box, doesn't it? We're happy there because that power is even. However, this one does not, right? The power there is odd. So it says here, well, what can we multiply it by then so that it's a square number? In other words, what can we multiply this by so that all the powers are even? Well, that one's okay, isn't it? But to make that one power even, if you think about it, I need to times it by another 7, don't I? Because if I times it by another 7, I then have 7 to the power 3, okay, which is 7 times 7 times 7. And if I times it by another 7, I'd have another 7 added on, and it becomes 7 to the power 4. Okay, so in terms of what we need to multiply it by, to make all the powers even, we need to times it by 7. Okay.